In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you. Welcome to Rohaniya Cooking Channel. Today, the recipe we have brought is a very excellent recipe for Arabic meat. See how wonderfully Adure, our Arabic meat is cooked and ready. This is exactly like the traditional grandmother's Arabic meat. Its taste will be just like that, and with very simple ingredients and a simple method, our wonderful Arabic meat will be cooked and ready. So let's quickly start the recipe in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. First, we will blend some spices, which include 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 medium-sized onions, a small amount of ginger, and 5 to 6 garlic cloves that we have blended well. And you need to take the meat, which is approximately half a kilogram. We have added 4 cloves, 5 to 6 black peppers. I have added about half a teaspoon of cumin. After the cumin, we will add this onion, tomato, ginger, and garlic paste. See, in this way, we will now add some basic spices, starting with 1 spoonful of ground red chili. You can adjust the chili and salt according to your taste. I have added about half a teaspoon of turmeric to it. I am adding a full teaspoon of ground coriander. And now we will add salt to it. I have added about half a teaspoon of salt. And finally, we will add crushed red chili, about 1 spoonful, and we will add enough water to tenderize our meat. After adding that, we will place it on the flame, stir well with a spoon so that our spices mix properly. See this like this, and we will put it on the flame so that it comes to a boil. See, it has started boiling from the side, so we will cover it and let it cook until the meat is tender. See, Afat, on here the water has mostly evaporated, and the meat is mostly tender. A little is left, which we will cook with the arvi. We have added half a cup of oil, and now we will add green chilies to it. I have added 4 green chilies. And now we will add arvi. I had applied some salt to the arvi for a while. Then I washed it well. Doimbi have added our arvi to it, and we'll cover it to let it cook. We have mixed it well with the help of a spoon. Look at it like this. Now we will cover it to let our arvi cook. Look at this. See how well our meat is cooking, Arvi meat, and let's stir it well with a spoon. And I'll show you the RV as well. See how nicely it has softened. So at this time, we will add water to it. Add as much water as you need for the gravy. If you want, you can also keep it roasted like this. Look at this. So I need a little gravy, so I will add about half a glass of water to it, and after stirring it with a spoon, we will leave it on a very low flame for 5 minutes so that the oil comes up nicely. Look, cover, placed it, and look, our wonderful Arabic meat is ready. See how excellent its gravy has turned out. Do try the recipe and definitely share it with someone dear, and let me know in the comments how you liked our video. If you liked the video, please like it. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.